Hey guys, it's Janice, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to go over how to activate the calendars and reminders integration in the new 2024 Good Mondays Paper digital planners. Before we begin, please make sure you have the following apps installed onto your iPad: Apple Calendar, Apple Reminders, Google Calendar, and Shortcuts. So I've already imported my download library to GoodNotes 6, and we're going to jump straight into downloading the version of the planner with calendar and reminders integration. If you're a complete beginner to downloading Good Mondays Paper planners, make sure to watch the mid-year planner video guide linked below, because that video explains the entire download process, including how to download the planner files, stickers, covers, shortcut icons, etc. This video will only cover how to activate the integration for the sake of not being repetitive. To begin, tap Download under Planner Files, and you'll then be asked whether or not you want calendars and reminders integration in your planner. Since we do want integration, I'm going to tap on this option here. You'll be led to this page where you will need to download an Apple shortcut onto your iPad in order to activate the integration hyperlinks. The first thing you need to do is go into your iPad settings, go to Shortcuts, and turn on Private Sharing. Now go back to your download library in GoodNotes, and in the second step, you'll find a shortcut download link. Tap on that to open it, and it should prompt you to install a new shortcut called Good Mondays Paper. Tap on Setup Shortcut, and now you'll be asked which application you want to use this with. By default, it's GoodNotes, but if you're using another app like Notability or Noteful, then you can go ahead and change the app. Tap Add Shortcut. Make sure it's been installed successfully by going to All Shortcuts, and if it's there, then you're done. Please do not delete any component of the shortcut or the integration will stop functioning. Now you can go back to the download library and complete the rest of your customization. You can keep track of which variation you're actually downloading using the indicators on the left side. So I've chosen my planner and I'm ready to download it. Just tap on either Monday or Sunday Start, and it'll open up to a Dropbox page, which you will then share directly to GoodNotes. As with all digital planners, make sure you have read-only mode turned on before tapping on hyperlinks. You can verify you have read-only mode on when the blue toolbar disappears, and you can tap on links easily. So to add a calendar event or reminder, you can find any page that has an add button on it. Tapping on it will bring up a menu that asks if you want to add an event to Apple Calendar, to Google Calendar, or if you'd like to set a reminder. Tapping on Apple Calendar will open up the Apple Calendar app to the corresponding month, week, or date, where you can then enter in all your event details. You can also choose which subcalendar you want to add it to as well, and any other notes or alerts you might want to include. Tapping on the Google Calendar option will bring up the app in slide over mode. You will initially be asked to allow the shortcut to access Google Calendar. You can then add in all your event details, and when you're done, simply just swipe up to remove Google Calendar from your screen. Adding a reminder is also quite simple. You'll be immediately asked what you'd like to be reminded about, what list you want to add this reminder to, and whether or not you'd like to receive push notifications about it. You will find this shortcut button on every monthly, weekly, and daily page, as well as the calendar overview and key dates pages at the front of the planner. And that's all there is to this tutorial. I hope you find this feature useful, and I hope you enjoy the planners as much as I did creating them.